Clean up the place. Montaz restaurant. Clean up your place. You're making money because I wish you would have this neighborhood here. Clean up the place and make the place look good to serve people food. Okay. What's that? That's what is that? A school? What is it? I don't want the school. Francis Holland CRMC School of England. I don't want the school. I want the building of this building. So this is the school of the elite Ivory Place. Ivory Place. This is the school of the elite. Cause see this man come for pick up one of them. You understand? So this is the building, you see? See all the cars out here? They come to pick up their children. It's a church. See? See the SUVs? So, what's the name of this church? St. Cyprian's, Clarence Gate. Okay, that's what it is. It's a church. It's on Glenworth Street, NW1, City of Westminster. Okay, so that's it there. You see, if the sun could catch that side of the building. St. Cyprian Church. So that part is the church. Now you see this part. This part is where the elite live. What is it? Clarence Gate Garden. Is it a hotel? Is it a flat? I don't know. But look at the style of it. Look like them Romeo and Juliet balcony thing. So listen, viewers and subscribers, listen, please like, share the videos, share with your friends and your families, hit the subscription button. Subscription is free of charge. That camera, what camera is that? I don't know what that camera is for. I don't know what it's for, but it's over here. It's looking over here, so I don't know. So yes, please hit the subscription button. Subscription is free of charge, and also hit the notification button if you like to see, if you like to be notified as soon as I have uploaded more content, new content. And I've got a lot, because yesterday some of what you see I upload last night, I haven't even finished them. And I'm out today, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I was out sick for a little over 2 weeks. Couldn't get to go and create any content. I couldn't go out to do any filming. But my 2 weeks finish, and I'm able to come out. Even though it finished on, when it finished? Monday? Tuesday, Wednesday is my rest day on the rota. So because I'm on the rota, Tuesday and Wednesday is my rest day. So Thursday I'm back at work. So I'm back at work tomorrow morning. Yeah, so that's the reason why I didn't put up any new content for the last 2 weeks, because I was sick. And once you are sick, doctor, you have to follow the doctor's order. The doctor says rest for 2 weeks. After my I had a procedure done. So doctor said you have to rest for 2 weeks. So that's what I did. I rest for 2 weeks like the doctor ordered, and I'm back at work tomorrow. I don't like. So do I want to go back? Not really. Don't miss it. I don't miss it. But I have to make I have bills to pay, so I gotta go back to work to earn an income. Sick pay is not enough. Sick pay can't even buy a patty. That can't even buy a patty. So you know, say you can't be out sick unless you have more serious operation. It's a good thing too, because I was supposed to have an operation on the 23rd of last month, but I tell them, listen, let's try something different first before the operation. So they tried something different, and it's only a temporary fix. Yeah, they did something, but they're saying, listen, this is a temporary fix. You're still going to need your operation. You still have to have it. So by the hook or by the crook, I still have to have the operation. Maybe later this year, maybe next year. It all depends on me. I have to tell the doctors and say, listen, okay, go ahead with the operation, but right now they did a procedure to help alleviate my pain, and so far it seems like it's doing what it's supposed to do. But like the doctor said, listen, it's temporary. So I'm working with a temporary thing right now. So yeah, so that's it. We're still here. Park Road it's called, and it goes all the way back up there, all the way up to Lord's Cricket Ground, and it have 3 different names. By the time you reach Lord's Cricket Ground, it have 3 different names. So so we are on which street? We're on Baker Street. And that's a Sherlock Holmes. I've been in Sherlock Holmes' place before. I think this is Sherlock Holmes. Yeah, there we go. Sherlock Holmes' place. I've been in there before. So this cop outside here is one of them Sherlock Holmes cops. So this is it. Sherlock Holmes Museum. The first detective across the world. I've been in there before, so I'm not going to go in there because you have to pay to go in there, and they may not even want you to film inside of it, because I've never seen any videos of it out. So maybe you can go in, but you can't film.
There's a lot of light on stuff. It would even be any there.
So you see the school kids them come from the school round there that we pass? Yeah, those the schoolers, that's the kids them here. They are from the elite people. Okay.